So in the last part of this, I thought we should look at how many of you are marketing to existing customers? Okay, again, all the hands should be up, right? We do, right? So the ways you're doing that, and the one we're going to focus on today will be email, but just as a reminder that you do have each of these places to pull metrics from or information. So first off, with email, your understanding your data is important. So you do want to look through your open rate. So this is one of our e-blasts, so I could share mine. Social media changes. It had an open rate, a click rate, and then with the system that I use, which is Klaviyo, I can also see how active people are on my site. Now, this isn't just for existing customers. This is also anyone that I've actually had sign up for any emails. Okay, and then the video that I just showed there, I just wanted you to see it because remember, with that video, what I love about it is that we've got individual products. So how you design your emails and what you're trying to get from your customers, you would not only know the open rate or the click rate, but what was clicked on individually, right? And by whom, which is great. And so this would then take us into another level of looking at this information, which is something with more depth. So I used to have a client who used Constant Contact, and he literally, the afternoon after his e-blast would go out, he would run and open the reports. And then he would look at the customers, and then he would start just reaching out and just saying, hey, how are you? And they would go, oh, wow, how funny. I was just looking at your email. Really? You were? Wow, that's great. What got your timing? And it's funny because nowadays we talk about it, because this was a while ago, right? You're smiling like, yeah, big brother. But really, it can be extremely helpful because you can use this as a tool to better inform your staff, but also to do some follow-up.